The CXPI Physical Layer Interface Driver Receiver IC, TB9032FNG, contributes to reduction of vehicle weight by minimizing number of wiring harness. CXPI is the Japan-originated international standard for in-vehicle communication protocols established in 2020, which is a protocol for next-generation in-vehicle subnetwork, aiming at reduction of vehicle weight by minimizing wiring harnesses in HMI devices. CXPI is the optimal technology for network communication of HMI devices. The features of CXPI are minimization of in-vehicle wiring harnesses, improvement in responsiveness, enhanced data reliability, and large capacity data transfer. Owing to CXPI, LIN's disadvantage of responsiveness and CAN's disadvantage of cost are both solved out. Toshiba has developed the TB9032FNG, that is CXPI Physical Layer Interface Driver Receiver IC. The main features of the IC are physical layer interface that complies with the in-vehicle communication protocol standard, CXPI. Responsiveness suitable for automotive body applications. Switchable between commander and responder node usage via an external pin. Built-in sleep mode. And additionally, low power consumption in sleep mode. Various abnormal detection functions, SOP8 package, designed with consideration for EMI, EMS, and ESD, and under planning of 80 CQ100, Grade 1, qualified. The table shows key specifications of the new product. The figure shows the operating waveforms. As countermeasurement for EMI, this IC is designed so that the bus waveform is rounded. Our Semiconductor EMC test laboratory is equipped in-house. The evaluation results are promptly fed back to the development. Applications are body control related, such as steering switches, meter cluster switches, light switches, door locks, door mirrors, and zone ECU. Evaluation board is also available. For further information, please visit Toshiba's website.